Welcome, guys, to the episode number 4 of how we build and remodel a 49 room hotel here in Miami Beach. Today, we are installing the helical piles inside the old building and where the new structure is going to be. You can see here the machine is already screwing the pile on the soil, and all this area is going to be helical piles to support the structure.
Moving forward, here we have all the piles installed and we already start cutting them to the height and installing the plates that go on top, as you can see here. We have several already with the plate on top, and we're gonna keep working now. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more update on how we build and remodel the 49 room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.